Hello, everybody. Wow, look at all the orchids. Make people jealous in the States, that's for sure. Orchids are just a very popular flower here, and you'll find most Filipinos, no matter where they live, and even out here in the country and that, everybody has an orchid patch somewhere close to their house. It's a plant that grows readily here, and so Beth just created, there's Beth, she just created this orchid patch here. Andoy dug up a bunch of holes, and of course we cut down some wood used for supports, and then the purple wrap there.
Nice.
I'm going to turn around here.
That's wonderful.
And a different type of orchid here. And as you can see, they are coming along real well. And in the background you can hear our dogs fighting, little puppies. Yeah, they're just a part of the family here. Whenever there's a video, you're probably going to see at least a few of the dogs here. Beth wants to show you the grape that we got. We got it from Joseph, and that we first planted it here.
Wow.
And I thought it was going to die. It just basically almost dried up. Now it has really started. We replanted it in the compost and that, and it's really taken off here, so we're kind of keeping our fingers crossed that it'll keep up. We'd definitely like to try to get some grapes growing here. So I'll kind of take a little bit of a walk around Beth's garden here. It's been a while since she's had a video of everything here. It is just packed full of flowers and vegetables, and wow, such a very pretty orange here. And a different type of flower. Wow. Very different type of flower.
Watch your step.
And yeah, there's all kinds of obstacles here and that, so kind of watch your steps. But this is something that we started here about 3 years ago and have just continued to expand it, and now it's covering everything up to our fence here. And she planted some veggies by the fence here, I think.
Eggplant.
Oh, eggplant, look at that. Yeah. Wow, so good. Yeah. And of course she puts it in bags, as you can see here, with the compost, of course, that we've got here. And wow, doing really good. And these are young plants, so I'm sure they're going to about double in size here as the time goes. This big thing going through the yard here is squash. And I know I've seen some of the flowers, and it looked like we had some growth here. See if I can find some squash here. Well, don't look like. I thought we had some growing here.
Yeah.
I see some flowers there.
The flowers there. You have a healthy eggplant.
Yeah, there's another pretty good sized flower. And that, I thought I saw a squash growing in here. Can't seem to find it right now.
It's gone. Have many flowers.
Yeah.
Look at the size. The leaves. So big.
Yeah, definitely got a lot of growth with the vine and everything. I really don't see
So big.
a lot of squash growing. Wow.
There's a mushroom, darling. What's your
And
step? Oh, it's already rat.
yeah, already rot the mushroom.
You can eat this one.
Yeah, they kind of know what mushrooms. I know always to be careful and that, but over the years, they've learned which ones are good. Wow, look at the eggplant here, so good. Yeah. And the size of the flowers here is just, and the leaves, I should say the leaves, whoops, I better not fall here, just huge. A lot of growth, and we got some flowers here. Be interesting to see if we get some squash here. So taking a look.
Here, Jaile. Oh, look.
Oh yeah, right here. And that growing up our fence here, that separates this from the area where the pigs are at here. So
Mickey.
yeah, good.
That's all that.
So, and of course, like I said, the dogs are down here helping us video this, as always. See what else she's got here.
Oh, rat.
Oh boy, too bad. Yeah, waited too long.
Yeah.
Even though that part of it's good, it's rotten in the middle.
Oh, yeah, rat. Too old.
Yep.
Sayang. Ah, there is coming. Oh,
Oh, another one coming right there. What do you call that?
I forgot. That is not upo. I forgot that.
Yep.
Ah, there is a one here. Oh, alata. Ampalaya here.
Oh, some impalia there. I'm gonna have to check. We should have quite a few impalia growing down in my garden down there. And on this side, this is the normal size of the bell peppers that we get. These real small little things. That's why I was so surprised to see how huge the bell peppers are down in the rice fields where I planted them and that. So, yeah, the sun's kind of flashing here. Turn around. So I'm going to say goodbye.
Yeah.
And that, of course, all the peach here, and the sun's really coming here. Pick some for supper so we can have a salad. We got some cucumbers, so need to do that. Yeah, so good. So we'll say goodbye for now. And that,
Bye.
like and subscribe. Thanks for viewing our videos. We like to keep you informed of what's happening during our day here. And that's so you can enjoy our property, our farming and our gardening and best flower growing. And hopefully that you do. Bye-bye.